In warehouses, the greatest danger on racking isn't collapse, it is the shift no one sees. A slight forklift bump may move a column by only a millimeter or two. Eyes won't catch it, inspections rarely notice it. But high bay racks change when that path of force is disturbed, stiffness fades, and risk begins. More importantly, this risk accumulates. Millimeters slowly become centimeters. And one ordinary loading job may suddenly trigger column buckling or a full tier tilt, fast, irreversible, unexpected. Most managers only ask, was there a collision? But the real threat is what happens after, the silent evolution no one is watching. Zhichuan wireless tilt sensors make the unseen measurable. They track subtle changes in angle, day and night. If a dangerous trend appears, the system warns before failure begins, turning maintenance from reaction into prevention. Safety should not rely on eyesight or luck, but on data, monitoring, and time on your side.